All right, let's go see what we can find in Valley Village. Okay, let's see what we have here. That's interesting. These are good for bags. Oh, this is suit fabric. Stay home. That fabric is nice for a bag. Lots of upholstery. Very thick fabrics. This is a knit, actually. It's like a cotton lycra. Could be a good like pants fabric, but you can tell it collects the lint. Okay. Cotton. So many upholsteries. Oh, here's a flannel. Look for bunny pillows. Look through these blankets. You can make blankets into things. What's a heated blanket? It's the weighted one. It's heavy. Bet you could make a nice sweater out of this. Let's see if they have any quilts. Ooh. For a quilt coat? Ooh, that's pretty. And you could even use the bottom as like the bottom of the jacket. Oh, that's pretty. That detail. Kind of like that one more than the one that I already bought. This also would look cool. The vintage. Oh, it's one of those old ones that like had, oh, it felt so gross. Like a hotel or a motel kind of blanket. Ew. Right? Maybe it actually give you the push to make it. I really like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This vintage. Aladdin! That's so cute. So many sheets. Okay, what's this? 7-way, one size fits all scarf. Oh, okay, look. Yeah. I love how it's like over the shoulder. Not. Oh, it's so different. Now we go to the books. There's a lot of books up there. I'm always looking for sewing books. So let's see what we can find. Sometimes they're together, but sometimes they're not. Quilt. Spirit of Christmas. We need to see what these books are. Creative Holiday. Oh. What we have here is the quilters, like, treasure trove of books. They're all quilting, like every single one. There's nothing in there that's not quilting, and I'm super jealous because I'm not a quilter, but whoever is a quilter and comes across these books, they're gonna freak out. Holy moly. Like, look at this one. This is just one of them. Watercolor quilts. Look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm always looking for pattern drafting books. So I'm hoping that maybe she had just like one random pattern drafting book in with all these other books, but I'm not seeing anything. Quilts, quilting. Oh, there's me, Aries. What's your zodiac sign? Quilt, hemp, canine couture, mastering photography. Yeah, see, there's still some books there. Birdhouses. Ooh, stained glass. I did a course one time for stained glass, and I made one. It was fun, but it's a really expensive hobby. Here's kind of valuable goods. Pop over to the Dollarama too while we're here. Okay, first of all, I love these colors. Oh, they're hard plastic. I need these. Sometimes they have things here, but most of the time they don't. Oh, look, they have pins now. But like that. I guess before they had them in the round. But now they have a little container. So look at those. Those are big. Big scissors. So they make fabric. They've had this stuff forever. Nobody wants it. Let's check out the Christmas section. Okay, I want bows. I want 5 bows. Do I want bows or do I want wreaths? No, I think I want bows. Like, I just want like normal red bows. I gotta go on my windows and wrap them like a present, I think. Look at those bows, those are cool. The bows are expensive, $2.25. I feel like that's a lot. Oh, look at those bows. Those ones are $5. That's expensive. And I know I can make my own, but these ones will hold their shape, hopefully, in the weather. I feel like these bows just aren't big enough, though. the thing is that I have ribbon at home and it's like 4 inches or 4 inches thick, so it's just not gonna look right. Now I'm looking at these bows, but these bows are only glitter, like red glitter and white glitter. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get bows here. Really pretty garlands up at the front. I think I'm getting some. They're really pretty. They're like Michael's, almost as good as that. Sometimes they have, oh, I got these for the kids, for stocking stuffers. That was a good idea. Hello Kitty. Oh, adorables. How people go crazy over adorables. Okay, I'm going to take a pillow, only because it's stuffing. And for some of my projects, this is cheap pillow stuffing. Sewing kits. Look at how small the tins are now. They're like way smaller. How am I going to store thread in that? It's impossible.